Hello guys, today again niko hapa nataka kufanya another trick. Today we are going to do what we call a split S. Split S is when come hivi, you fly through, there's an object there, then you fly, you do a roll, then you pass under an object like that. Yeah, an object like that tree. So tunapitia juu, napitia hivyo juu, then napiga round, napita chini. So let's see. Okay. One propeller is out, man. Nothing else. Charging station here.